Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to share with you today my brand new Cobra mats for my Roush. I just got these today, so I wanted to unbox them with you guys, give you guys a quick review of Lloyd's carpeted mats. I do own a pair of these, which I installed in my convertible Cobra. You guys might have seen them in one of my other videos. And as you know, the Roush is in deep need of brand new carpeted mats. The previous mats are just the plain mats and they're pretty worn out. When you're driving your car, you want it to be not just looking nice on the outside, but also on the inside. And a nice pair of mats can make or break that look inside your car. So let's go ahead and get these opened up. Now I went ahead and removed the tape from here on the mats. They came pretty secured, just standard shipping tape. The mats come directly from the Lloyd manufacturer. These are officially licensed Ford mats. Again, Lloyd's mats is one of the leading manufacturers of carpeted mats for all car manufacturers, and these happen to be my favorite mats for my Mustang. So let's go ahead and get these opened up and let's take a look inside. Wow, so first impression, they seem really nice, very plush. They come with the plastic in the back with the little studs so that it doesn't slip, nice and secured in your car. Very good job done on the Cobra. Nice stitching. So, I've seen some of these where the Cobra doesn't really look like it's supposed to. And with these being officially manufactured, officially licensed by the manufacturer, you know that you're getting good quality mats. Comes with a safety warning on here. And then in case your car doesn't have something to hold on to it, put it through the eye, it does come with this. Again, an officially licensed product from Ford. These happen to be not a brown color or top. These are parchment, which more closely matches the interior color of the Roush. Let's take a look at the rest of them. Wow, again, very nice. Very good job done on the stitching on the end. Very plush, very thick. These studs in here don't seem very flimsy or anything like that. They seem pretty firm, so they're not gonna break off on you, and then the mat's not gonna start slipping. Let's take a look at the passenger mat. Again, very nice. Excellent job on the stitching. Take a close look up at the Cobra. I know that when you're looking at these online, sometimes you don't get a good look at them. So that's why I wanted to do this review, to give you a good look at them in case you want to get these for your Mustang, your Cobra. If you own a GT, they do come in with different emblems. They have an SVT one. They also have, of course, the GT. So there you go. Let's take a look. Let's put them side by side. This is what they're gonna look like in the car. I'm so excited. Can't wait to get these installed. So let's go outside and put these on. Hey guys, so I'm outside here with the Roush. Let's go ahead and take a look inside so that way you can see what the mats look like right now, and that way we can get a good comparison of the before and then after I installed the new mats. So let me get it in here. I don't know if you guys can see from here, but I can already see that there's definitely some wear and tear on the mats. They're not too bad, but you can definitely see there's some stains on there. The carpet's kind of thin on there. definitely, I mean, we can wash them, but definitely replacing them is the best option right now. Let's go ahead and remove the mat and see what it looks like underneath. I'm just gonna unclip this real quick, and we'll be able to see the floorboards and see what the carpet looks like. It looks a little dirty, as you guys can see. There's definitely some stains here. Overall, not too bad, but definitely I can use some shampooing and some vacuuming. Let's go ahead and take a look at the other side, see what that looks like. As you can see, this mat's in a little bit better shape. Definitely some major stains on there that we could probably get off with some soap and water, but the carpet still looks pretty worn. Let's take a look underneath, see what that looks like. Okay, so these are in a little bit better shape. This side's in a little bit better shape than the driver's side. Obviously, it gets a lot less usage. There's a stain right there. A little soap and water can probably take care of that, definitely. But for now, let's go ahead and just get the vacuum and get the new mats installed just to take a look at it. Okay guys, I went ahead and finished vacuuming and installed the mats. So let's go ahead and take a look at the difference, see what it looks like the before and the after. Wow, definitely a huge improvement over the old mats. I love the way that they look. I love the Cobra logo on here. The color matches perfectly to the floor carpet. It's just a huge improvement over the old mats. Take a look at that. Wow, those mats make it really stand out. Makes it look really sharp on the inside. Let's take a look at the back. Again, it didn't have floor mats before. Now with the new mats, it makes it look really good. It's definitely going to protect the floor boards. Let's take a look at the front again. Wow, I'm really amazed at what a huge difference just a fresh pair of mats makes over the old ones. It makes the interior look so much better. The matching Cobra logo on the passenger side, really nice. Let's take a look at it a little bit closer. So here's a look at the rear mat. Again, I'm really impressed by the way that Lloyd's matched the color to the original manufacturer carpet. Matches perfectly with the brown leather seats as well. Makes it look almost as if it rolled out of the dealership with these mats. But again, obviously these didn't come with the car. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more upcoming videos of cool cars here at Race Rush. Take care and talk to you soon.